Lift the arm off the windshield so the arm stays in the upright position. If you have not removed your wiper blade, please see wiper removal video first. Always place a towel under the wiper arm to protect your windshield if you accidentally allow the wiper arm to fall. For installation on a top lock arm, the connector you will need is not installed. You will need to remove the pre-installed connector and replace it with the B connector before you can install your new wiper blade. This wiper blade features an aerodynamic design with a sleek built-in spoiler. You will need to ensure your spoiler is facing the correct position. The spoiler should always face towards the windshield. Remove your new wiper blade and new connector B from the packaging. To remove the pre-installed connector, lift the front connector tab and continue pulling until it releases away from the blade. Put your index finger on the front tab, pulling out and up until the connector comes loose from the blade. If the connector sticks, you may need to pull off each side individually. Align the holes on the side of the connector with the mounting base of the wiper blade. Snap the connector onto the wiper blade. Align the bottom two tabs on the wiper connector with the notch on the wiper arm. Push the wiper into the wiper arm until the tab on the top of the wiper arm snaps into the connector. Test to ensure the blade is secure. Place the arm gently back on the windshield. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield as this will cause damage. To optimize the silicone wiper performance and activate the water repelling benefit, ensure your windshield is clean, dry, and free of any debris. Turn on wipers and wiper dry at medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes.